Nigerian TV. Nigerian TV.
Come down from here.
One thing that is so interesting here is the fact that this has been a long, struggling matter. Many of you in the pen profession have asked us several questions on this and what we are doing. And today we thank God that the law can be slow, and certainly we are sure that the law grinds slowly but grinds very surely. Today we have seen him, that's the artist himself, plead guilty that he actually broke the law, he actually contravened, and the judge in her mercy was very kind to him, giving him a 15,000 naira per count charge. Out of the 4 count charge, he got paid 15,000 naira each for each of the count charge. And we are very happy and telling persons that we should learn to obey the law and do what is right and appropriate at all times here. That regardless of what you think you are subject to the law, and even if you run very far and think that time has overtaken the process of justice, that's not true. After about 2 months now, he was brought here and he faced it, and we are very impressed about that, and we largely thank the security agencies, particularly the Nigerian police, for actually picking him up and flying him into Abuja for this prosecution.
Nigerian TV.